Welcome to another Simple Dad TikTok tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how to create 2022 in 60 photos video trend on TikTok. If you're new here, please subscribe to see more videos like this and don't forget to like this video. So what is this video trend 2022 in 60 photos? So this trending video is where you have a photo of yourself for 10 seconds and then 59 photos of which will quickly flash up on screen with the matching music. So let me show you how to create this TikTok trending video. So first you want to make sure you have CapCut and TikTok installed. Now once you have that ready, open up your TikTok app, do a search, 2022 in 60 photos. Now browse through all these videos which have created this trend. On these videos, what you're looking for is this CapCut button here at the bottom. So once you find that, go ahead and tap on it. Okay, I'll tap on that. And that will then take you into CapCut. At the bottom, you'll see Use Template in CapCut. So I'll tap on that. This will then open up CapCut and will load up the template. Now go ahead and tap on Use Template at the bottom right. Now this will do everything for you. So first you need to select the first picture, which will be 10 seconds long. So I'll go ahead and select a video. Now in the other 59 photos, you want to select photos from your photo library. And once you do that, tap on Preview at the bottom right. This will now create your video and will show it to you. So once you do that, tap on Add Sound in TikTok. This will now export the video and will take it into TikTok. It will automatically add the sound for you. Now you want to tap on Next. And then you want to add your captions. And then you want to go ahead and post that on TikTok. And that is how to create 2022 in 60 photo video trend on TikTok. If this video is helpful, then please subscribe to see more videos like this. If you have any other questions, then please do let me know in the comment section down below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.